Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Expression Home XP-2200. I want to show you how to scan documents with this printer to your mobile phone. Open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down, and also make sure the document starts from the bottom right. You will see arrow, close the cover. So this document is two-sided document, so we are scanning this part. The next thing you need to do is you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via a wireless network and also using Epson Smart Panel. Once you've done that, then you select Scan. Select the size of the document, A4. Image type, color. If you want to scan black and white or grayscale, then you select specific one. So color is selected. Resolution, the maximum is 600 dpi, 300 is selected. Remove background is off. Automatic rotation is off. Image format, select on image format. PDF is selected. If you want to scan photo, then you select JPEG. So PDF is selected. Then you select scan. Select start. This is the document we scanned. You can delete this document. You can rotate it. If you want to scan the next page, open the glass scanner. Turn the document the other way around to scan the second page. Close the cover. Then add scan. If you change your mind, you can select cancel, or you can also select stop button. The printer is scanning the second page. You can do this as many as you like. Once you finish, then you select next. Then you give the file name. You can remove the number and give the file name. Then select save. Select location. Scroll down to select location. Select use this folder. Select allow. Then you select save. The file is saved. Go back to the home page. No, I want us to print this document out. To print it out, select print or share icon. Then they give you platforms to print the document from. Then select Epson Smart Panel. So the document is attached to Epson Smart Panel. Then go to print settings. Select range. We want to print all, 1 to 2. The size of the paper is A4. The size of the paper is A4. Media type, plain paper. Layout, bordered. Print quality, standard. If you select standard or high for the print quality, so standard is selected. Print quality, you can select standard or high. So standard is selected. Paper source, real paper tray. Color, you want to print this in color. Then you select number of copies. Select done. Then select print. The first page is printed out. So these are documents we scanned and printed them out in color, single page each. If you want to print document two-sided with this printer, then you need to print the first page, go to print range, print the first page, reload it on the rear tray with the area printed out facing at the back so that you can print out the second page. So this is how to scan documents with this printer, save it to your mobile phone, and also print the document out. Thank you very much indeed.